Looking for creative ways to solve those day-to-day, first-world problems? Look no further. In this video, we have determined that these are the ultimate products that no one should ever be without. Windshield Display GPS. The Windshield Display GPS conveniently projects directions and other useful information onto your car's windshield so you can keep their eyes on the road while receiving guidance. With a quick glance, you'll be able to see all the information you'll need. Hidden Flask Tie. With the Hidden Flask Tie firmly secured around your neck, no amount of overtime or TPS reports will be able to crush your spirit or kill your buzz. Apart from improving your creativity at work, it will also make you the sharpest dressed employee at every casual Friday. Hands-free umbrella dome. Laugh in the face of Mother Nature with your very own personal hands-free umbrella dome that will shelter you from the rain while giving plenty of room to talk on the phone. Keep your hair all fancy, and ensure you'll get plenty of looks from jealous haters. Electronics Cleaning Putty. Perform a thorough cleaning of your gadgets with this vibrantly colored electronics cleaning putty. The putty conforms to get into all the cracks and crevices to easily pull out any dirt, debris, hair follicles, food crumbs, and dried up bodily fluids. Toilet Seat Pedal. This toilet seat pedal is a brilliant solution to end fights over leaving the toilet seat up. Simply step on the pedal to lift up the toilet seat, then once you're finished, remove your foot and the toilet seat will slowly drop back down. One-trip grocery bag holder. Real men carry their groceries in one trip, and now with this clever one-trip grocery bag holder, you can make that single trip even easier. Simply hook the device around all of the bags, and grab the handle to bring in all the groceries while throwing out your bag. USB Rechargeable Batteries. Recharge your batteries like never before with these innovative USB connecting rechargeable batteries. These easy-to-use rechargeable batteries pop their top and plug into your USB slot on your computer to get their electrical mojo resupplied. The bed fan. If you're constantly uncovering yourself from the bed sheets because you can't maintain a cool temperature, then you need a bed fan. This bed fan will quietly disperse hot air under the sheets and keep you cool all night long so you can get a good night's rest. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.